Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, July 21st, 2023. It is 7:37 and 39 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, supercapacitors. So let's jump to it here. Researchers achieve historic milestone in energy capacity of supercapacitors. Scientific community inches closer to ultra-fast charging energy storage. Date July 18, 2023. Source: University of Texas. In a new landmark chemistry study, researchers describe how they have achieved the highest level of energy storage, also known as capacitance, in a supercapacitor ever recorded. As supercapacitors are devices that store electrical energy between two metal plates that are close together, once separated by a surface that cannot conduct electricity. As supercapacitors are similar to batteries, except that batteries store and retrieve energy using chemical transformations, while capacitors store energy by using oppositely charged surfaces. They are frequently used in machines that require rapid discharge of energy, like electric cars, buses, trains, and cranes. This is a big step forward and gets us closer to achieving supercapacitors with high energy density, which would radically change how we store and manage energy. As supercapacitors have high potential because they can charge much faster than batteries, within seconds to fractions of a second. However, current supercapacitors can only store a low amount of energy, which limits their range of potential applications. If supercapacitors could be designed to store more energy, they would be physically lighter and charge much faster than batteries, which would have a significant commercial impact. The scientific investigators and researchers achieved a record level of storage, or capacitance, using a material with a carbon nanoonion core structure, which creates multiple pores that allow storage of a greater volume of energy. And this is a professor of space technology, electronic engineering, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.